I'm going to help you understand engines easily, funny, and in 2 minutes. You'll never feel like the weird one again when people talk about this stuff. We're focusing on typical gasoline engines because diesels are for trucks and electric motors are for people with low testosterone. Simple. Everything revolves around some cylindrical holes inside the engine where little arms move up and down inside them. They're called pistons. How do they move? With gasoline explosions. And they move like that to spin this thing. That's how an explosion becomes rotation, which then gets sent to the wheels. Interesting, right? Now, bigger cylinders mean a bigger, harder explosion inside, which equals more power. The second most important thing is the number of cylinders. City car engines have 3 or 4 cylinders. Big sedans or family trucks usually need 6. And big trucks or super sports cars have 8 or more. So when someone says their car has a 4-cylinder, that's a regular person. When someone says their car has a V8, that's an adrenaline junkie or someone who works really hard. And if someone says their car has 12 cylinders, you're looking at someone who has already won at life. Keep this in mind. The total air volume that fits across all the cylinders is what gives you the famous engine displacement, measured in liters. If someone says their engine is 2.0 liters, they're talking about a typical 4-cylinder with 0.5 liters each. If someone says their engine is 5.0 liters, that's definitely an engine with a lot of big cylinders. That's gotta be a fast car. One more thing, cylinders can be arranged in a V or in a line. Each setup has different advantages in power delivery, vibrations, and space management. Now, if I tell you my car has a V8 6.2 liters, you should already know what I'm talking about. And which ones burn more gas? The bigger cylinders. They need more fuel injected, and you've got more of them to feed. So the bigger the engine, the more gas it's going to drink. Here's the thing nobody tells you. In America, engine size is basically a social currency. Walk into any car meet, and the first question isn't, what color is it? It's what's under the hood. And now you actually have an answer. You went from nodding along pretending to understand, to actually knowing what a V8 6.2 liter means. Use that wisely, or don't, and just let people think you've been a car guy your whole life.